What if digital transformation is not failing because of technology, but because of strategy? Real transformation is bigger. It redesigns how your business creates value, serves customers, and adapts faster than competitors. In this video, we will break down a practical strategy. You will learn how to turn digital investment into measurable impact. Do not begin with, "We need AI," "We need a new CRM," or "We need to move to the cloud." Begin with the problem the business must solve. Are you trying to reduce churn, shorten delivery times, improve productivity, increase digital revenue, or lower costs? A strong strategy turns ambition into measurable goals. Instead of saying, "Improve customer experience," say, "Reduce support response time from 24 hours to 2 hours within 6 months." That gives your team a target, a timeline, and a way to measure success. Technology should follow the outcome. Next, map the current state. Look at the customer journey, workflows, data flows, and decision points. Where do people wait? Where do teams duplicate work? Where does information get lost? Where are decisions based on instinct because the right data is not available? This exposes the real bottlenecks. Sometimes the issue is outdated software. Sometimes it is poor process design. Sometimes it is fragmented data, unclear ownership, or a culture where teams protect information instead of sharing it. Once you understand the current state, identify use cases. A use case is a specific opportunity where digital capabilities improve performance. Now build the foundation. Transformation needs reliable data, integrated systems, secure infrastructure, clear governance, and people who know how to use new capabilities. Data is especially important. If customer, product, financial, and operational data is scattered across disconnected systems, every digital initiative becomes harder. You cannot personalize experiences, automate decisions, or use AI effectively if the data is incomplete or inconsistent. The foundation also includes cybersecurity, cloud architecture, APIs, analytics, and change management. These may not sound exciting, but they make innovation scalable. The most overlooked part of transformation is people. Employees may fear automation. Managers may resist transparency. Teams may protect old ways of working because those habits feel safe. That is why communication, training, and leadership alignment are essential. Explain why the transformation matters, what will change, and how people will be supported. Involve frontline employees early because they often know the process problems better than executives do. Culture matters because transformation requires experimentation. Not every pilot will work. The goal is to learn quickly, adapt, and scale what creates value. After that, create a roadmap. Your roadmap should show the sequence of initiatives over time. It should include goals, owners, budgets, milestones, dependencies, and success metrics. A good roadmap is not just a project plan. It is a strategic narrative. It explains how each initiative contributes to the bigger transformation. For example, Phase 1 might focus on automation and data cleanup. Phase 2 might introduce self-service and analytics. Phase 3 might use AI to personalize offers or predict demand. The roadmap helps leaders make trade-offs. It prevents teams from chasing shiny objects that do not support the strategy. Finally, measure progress and adapt. Digital transformation is not a one-time project. It is an ongoing capability. Track business outcomes, user adoption, process improvements, customer satisfaction, revenue impact, and cost savings. If a tool is launched but nobody uses it, that is not transformation. If a dashboard exists but decisions do not change, that is not transformation. Here is the framework. Define the outcome, map the current state, prioritize use cases, build the foundation, align people and culture, create a roadmap, and measure continuously. The companies that win are not always the ones with the biggest budgets. They connect technology to strategy, strategy to execution, and execution to measurable value. Digital transformation is not about becoming more digital. It is about becoming more valuable, adaptable, and customer-centered